operating this saw, if I was to cut plywood over here and it's about this thick, how high should I have my blade? Anyone have any ideas? Just about what you want, if everyone comes over here. No. Wrong one. That's the angle. All right, front here, remember front of it, up it goes. This here is called the trough, obviously, right, of the blade, right? You want that just above the height of your blade, right? So if your wood is 3/8 of an inch thick, you want it about a millimeter or 3 millimeters above that, right? And that helps the wood to get rid of the dust. The other thing that you want, you see that this is hooked up to the vacuum, right? When you're running this saw, also make sure the vacuum's on, right? We're going to be cutting big sheets of plywood over there, and we need to put it on here for size.